So those that have been following the videos will notice that there's no Millie, and I've not had Millie for the last couple of weeks. She failed her MOT quite badly some weeks ago, and she's been in the garage, nearly pretty much being rebuilt from the bottom up, and hopefully she was in for our MOT today, and we're going to find out if she's passed. There we go, passed, back on the road, legal, MOT sorted, bank balance slightly abused, which cost me a bit more than I expected to, but we are good to go, ready for the summer season, lots of travels, lots of adventures. So if you've not already done so, click subscribe, because we're going to go some really cool videos. And she's working and she's driving beautiful after a nice service, and you know, oil filter changed, the whole fuel pump was all changed, so she's running smoothly. And here's to the future of adventures. So don't forget, click subscribe, come and join us. We've got some really good things planned over the next couple of months, for the rest of the year even. So yeah, happy days.